Yo, what's up, fam? How are you? I hope you're having a fantastic Saturday today. And I have been building this workflow for my agency, and I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial, a quick way, if you wanted to call it that way, I don't mind, about how to qualify your companies really fast. So this is a workflow that I've been doing for my own agency, for my company, and it's kind of, I'm trying just to test this out. So basically, just to give you some context, you on Clay, basically you can do account scoring for each of one of your leads, so you can score basically your TAM. So, and how you can score it is basically by like putting some standards about what a company needs to have in order to be a good fit for you. Okay, so for example, it needs to be a B2B, it needs to be B2B nature, it has to be a SaaS company, it has to be in the tech industry, it has to be a pricing page, it needs to target like the fintech industry, and it needs to have an SDR team. Like like if a company, you can imagine your ICP, your ideal client profile, you will see that ideal client profile has a lot of like requirements. And most of the times when you're doing that on a database, for example Apollo, you get like a lot of filters to play with, but at the end of the day it's not that accurate. Okay, because you may have some companies that may self-report themselves as, for example, real estate companies, when in reality they are software companies that work actually in the real estate company. So, or for example, also you can be targeting software companies, but you may find yourself with a marketing agency that works with software companies, but because they work with software companies, they report themselves in the software industry, where in reality they are in the software company. Sorry, in the software industry. Okay, so you want to be real aware of those things, and the reason why we do is a TAM scoring is to qualify, verify, to filter all those companies, to get actually a really good data, to get a really good lead list, to actually reach out to them, and you will see like the results will go up because you are targeting people that actually need your stuff. Okay, so that's the reason why we do this. Right? If you don't know what was TAM scoring, is basically for score your TAM and see what companies are more likely to engage with you because of all the requirements that you need to get in order for you to help them. Okay, really easy. So based off that, you can do this on Clay, and there is enrichment that is like lead scoring on Clay. Is really easy to do, but I just wanted to do this like really quickly. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now basically what I just did, so you can get an idea and get creative about how you can score your TAM, or not even your TAM, like let's say a quick lead list, like in this case like 1,000 rows, to score them, to verify them, and to launch them pretty fast. Okay, so let's dive in. So basically we have here some important companies inside of Clay, really easy. I normalize the company name, okay, the description, the size, okay, really. Then what I just did here is, as you can see, some of them don't have their domain, so I use the Clearbit integration to get them, and if I couldn't get them, I use the client AI web research to actually get the data. Okay, after doing so, I get the domains on a column, right? And then I normalize those domains to get like the master company domain list. column to get that right. Then what I just did was to basically using a client to first verify if they're actually a B2B company, because I sell to B2B. Okay, so we can go right here. This is, and the beauty of this is because the models has been like improving, and now using AI is really cheap. Okay, I just use GPT-4o Mini to do this task. Okay, and this is actually the prompt, and to be really honest, this is the one that I just find on browse templates, so you can find it right there. If you can find it, it's just, here is the prompt. It works really well, and I just did nothing because I want to qualify them. As I just said, I want to do a time scoring, and then after I got that, I start doing some plays with the formulas. Okay, so what I just did was that I wanted to make sure that these companies are actually SaaS companies, because I don't want to target either consulting businesses, I don't want to target real estate businesses, venture capital businesses, none of those stuff, because I don't work with them yet. I want to work to target SaaS companies, B2B SaaS companies, software companies. Okay, so I basically built a prompt to help me to verify the data, verify those companies, and to actually make sure that I am targeting the right people. Okay, so what I did right here was really easy, so that's the reason why I'm sharing this, because it's really easy to do. So I actually tell him, this is the prompt by the way, but in like a quick overview, you can take it if you want. I tell him to visit the website, to tell what a SaaS company will like. So for example, a SaaS company will have like the pricing page, the resources page. It also has the integration page. It also has login and sign up buttons, and I explain what like a quick overview about how a SaaS company look like, because if I'm doing like the manual search, the first thing I will look at if they have like a pricing page, or they say log in, sign up, some of those things, so I wanted to clarify that into my prompt. And then I share a list of keywords that are commonly found on B2B SaaS websites. So it was like pricing, plans, API, and there you go, every single of them, so he can get like an idea, and then I asked that, based on all that information, rate that company on a scale of 1 to 10 of how likely this company is a B2B SaaS company. I'll only return the rating, nothing else. Okay, and also I limit like the search by saying like, don't visit nothing else, only the company website, and make your decision from it. Because the thing here is like, if I was like testing this out, and if I don't say this, for example, this first one, like take sales intel, if I just go right here, I can reach this site, so he would go and look for the LinkedIn profile. But if I go to the LinkedIn profile, here you can see like it says like it's actually a SaaS based sales intelligence, a SaaS company, a B2B SaaS company, but it doesn't tell me like a lot. Okay, and I really don't want to target people that doesn't even have like their site updated. So even though it says B2B, and most commonly it says B2B because of the LinkedIn, let's see. Okay, it says because of Capterra, you see. So I just wanted to really like refine my qualifying process by only limit the search by the website, nothing else, and also another example, actually I'm gonna give you a better example, is for example this one. if I run that prompt without saying like only visit the website, this one open topic is gonna say like a 10, you know. And why is that? Because first it will look at the website, and here you can see that it is actually like a casino page, so I don't want to target them. But as the agent can find something on the website, he will go to the LinkedIn profile. And if I just go here, you'll see that it says that it's a B2B SaaS platform providing cognitive and AI marketing insights. By the way, it's not even claimed, you know. So I don't want to work with them. I don't want to target them because the LinkedIn is like off, and also is their website. So as I said that to only restrict like the search for just the website, it says no data found because it's actually there's nothing to see there because it's like a casino structure, you know, a casino page. So that's the reason why I did that. Also, what I just said, instead of saying like and tell me if it is a B2B SaaS company, return yes. If not, say no. Okay. The reason why I didn't do that it was because for example, if there is a company that he thinks that is a B2B SaaS company, probably the rating would be 5+, you know, like either 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you know. But is what they think, you know, what the AI thinks. But if I go over, for example, a 7 one, like let me see, like this one, platforms.io, here you can see that it's not actually a SaaS company, even though it may have like SaaS inside their website. It is not actually like a normal platform that you could tell that it's actually a SaaS company, you know. So if I just say, for example, return yes or no, it would give me yes because it's 7, but in reality it's not actually a SaaS company. You know, it's like a software company, something like that, or a software development company, you know. And if I go to the reasoning, you can see that there's not like a pricing page, but it has sign in, but not always. When it has a sign in button, indicates that it's a SaaS company. So I really want to see what I got and I rate from 1 to 10 and only target companies that has a rating of 7+, because when I do that, for example, let's say this one, there is a 10. Let's take a look. You see, it is actually a B2B SaaS company. Okay, it has his pricing, you know. It has his pricing, like featured solutions, integrations. You see, it is actually a SaaS company. You see, so I'm giving like the power to the AI to qualify them because of how he thinks a SaaS company looks like, and also because of the information that I put into the prompt. But in that way, I get a good range to tell if a company is a SaaS company, if it's not a SaaS company, and it gets like more like specific because a 7 is not the same as an 8, and you can see it right here. Market Nexus. Let me. Okay, I've hit the one to the. Okay, look. So our embedded SaaS fintech AI powered trade automation anonymous is a SaaS company. Okay, even though it doesn't have like the pricing, the login, right? Probably the best thing, the way how they do things to contact them, and actually after getting like the deal closed, you got like the SaaS, the software. So this is basically what it looks like. So it's really different between what is like a 7 to an 8, and I want to see that. I want to have the power to actually manipulate that data and actually be really specific about the companies that I want to target. Really easy, right? And then what I just did for simplicity for me, just to check, I asked here I just asked Clay to do if B2B SaaS verification response is not number above 7, check the box. If it doesn't, then check the box, and I got this. And after doing that, I just continue with my flow that I just haven't finished yet. Okay, so that's it. That's how you qualify your company. It's really easy using Clayent, and if you have a really good input as the website, you can qualify your companies, your TAM, a lead list, really fast by giving like these requirements to clients, so you can have a really good spectrum to work with, and you can make decisions from there. Yes, you can see. The other thing, just to finish this, for example, as you can see here, no data found. That's really easy. That's really good for me, because as I just said, I don't want to work with people that don't have their website updated, or also if they don't find data, is a really good indicator that it is not actually really a good SaaS company. Even though it is a SaaS company and they don't have an updated website, chances are that they don't have a really good business to work on, or who knows, but that's like my criteria. So as I just said, just take this as inspiration to get some ideas, and now you can qualify your TAM or some kind of companies really fast using AI. Okay, so that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.